Saluton and welcome to Esperanto Explained. Today we'll be talking about the Esperanto word ke. Ke translates to that in English, but in English the word that has two different meanings. There's that thing over there, and there's I heard that something happened. Ke is that second one. We're not talking about that thing over there. Different word. We'll deal with that some other time. We're talking about that as a connector word between two different ideas. Officially, it's called a subordinating conjunction because whenever you've got a sentence where there's the main part of the sentence and then there's this other part that really depends on the main part for it to make sense. For example, if I just said that I learned something, that's not going to make sense unless you have the first part of the sentence, he told you that I learned something. Okay, now it makes sense. But I could just say he told you by itself. Anyway, that's what a subordinating conjunction does. It introduces that second half of the sentence that still depends on the first half for it to make sense. We do this a lot without even thinking about it, and in casual day-to-day English, we just leave out the subordinating conjunction a lot of times. We don't even always say that when we mean to. I heard that he likes you turns into I heard he likes you. But in Esperanto, we really do have to say, I heard that he likes you. He said that the coffee is good. Because otherwise, it gets really confusing, especially with Esperanto's fluid word order. It can get really confusing about what nouns are attached to what verbs and where does this word attach to. Putting the word ke in the middle helps us draw that line. Here's that half of the sentence, here's that half of the sentence. And to make it even more clear, anytime you see the word ke in Esperanto, there should be a comma before it. So, he heard that she likes him, or I learned that he speaks Esperanto would be mi lernis, comma, ke li parolas Esperanton. That is how we use the word ke in Esperanto to connect two ideas while still having that clear dividing line that here's this half of the sentence and here's that half of the sentence. They're definitely separate, but they're connected. Ke.